There's Bouncy. We are at the Bird-in-Hand Family Inn in Bird-in-Hand, PA. For a 2023 update. Let's go down the ground. Non-ADA phone in there. Since we're going down, let's get a cab view. This is one of the few Dovers left in the area. Original Dovers. Let's go up 3. She was very dimly lit. Alright, let's go back down to the lobby. There's a lot of rooms being cleaned on the first floor right now. On the ground floor. Swashbuckle well. And I want to show you something. Foreclosed doesn't work. There's a certificate. It's got a bumper, which works. Alright. There goes.